What will this study do for us? This is the question you answer when writing your significance of study. Hello everyone and welcome back to Timeless Nursing. I'm Zainab and today we are moving on to our significance of study. Now in this section of your research, you want to tell your readers or your supervisor who is going to benefit from your study, the impact your study is going to have on people. You also want to mention how your study is going to contribute to knowledge, practice, and even policy making. So here are some examples from our research topic, nurses' knowledge and attitude towards clinical nursing research and its application to nursing practice. So I want to mention that before writing your significance of study or when writing your significance of study, you should mention the category of people you are referring to. For example, I'm going to write for nurses, or I'll find a way of identifying that this statement has to do with nurses. So for my first significance, I have something like this. This research would help in identifying knowledge gaps and also will promote continuous professional development and enhance confidence and competence in using research findings by nurses, which will further improve patient care outcome and reduce the length of hospital stay. So you can see how this research is going to benefit our nurses and even our patients. So for nursing educators, my second significance would be that this research may highlight some areas of nursing curriculum that needs to be strengthened to better equip or to better prepare nursing students for evidence-based practice. So for hospital administrators, I'll write that the findings of the study will inform policy and training programs aimed at promoting evidence-based practice among nursing staff. And then lastly, I'll talk about dissemination of research findings in either academic journals or professional journals or academic conferences, or even depositing it at the library to serve as conduit for information for other professional colleagues or even for nursing students. So remember, your significance of study shows the value of your research work by stating who is going to benefit from that work. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment and share, and also don't forget to subscribe, and see you in my next video. Bye.